Okay, so part of the pool journey here is we just talked about the sequestrant, the horrendous SC1000, and how that's going to float the metal particles in the water and not let it settle to the bottom. Well, this is a product here called CuLator. The Cu stands for metal or copper. This is a metal eliminator and stain preventer for pools and spas. This will remove copper, iron, magnesium, cobalt, nickel, aluminum, silver, and lead. And that's quite the mouthful, right? Here's what the package looks like. How you have to set it up. If you want to read it, you can pause the video. Removes 4 parts per million to dissolve stain-causing metals. Comes in like what they call a little egg. You're going to drop it in your pump basket. So, working with the sequestrant right here, that gets the metals to stay floating in the water, and then this actually will remove them. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Because spending all the money that I have on the pool, I don't want to mess something up. But this is what we're looking at. It's all sealed, okay? So basically we're going to undo this. We're going to read the directions. We're going to pop it right in the pump, the pool pump, and let all the water that's going through the filter flow through here. Right, there are some directions. That just tells you how to use it. I will read these and make sure we set it up properly. Now, if there's iron in your pool water, this is going to turn yellow. If there's copper inside your pool water, it's going to turn blue. And I'm going to let you take a look at this. The different colors this will turn based on the types of metals it finds in your water. So it's got you covered for copper, manganese, iron, zinc, nickel, aluminum, cobalt, silver, barium, I think, and lead. There you go. So hopefully this is going to work for me. I'm praying that it's going to help. Because who knows, right? Who knows when you take a leap of faith on some of these products. But I know some pool professionals recommend this that I've seen on YouTube and where not. But for now, I am going to be putting this to one side. That's going to be ready when the pool is filled up. And I want to thank you for watching. Take care.